Yo, what is good everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We are in the new studio, if you guys cannot tell. Today was actually moving day, so I moved everything from my old studio over to the new studio. We have a ton of updates, especially on the sneaker wall. I cannot wait to show you guys what we got going. I can't show anything right now. We're gonna wait till a little bit later in the video, but I went ahead and did all this stuff now, and I wanna show you guys that whole process, so that's what this video is going to be. I have to give you guys an update though. If you didn't watch the last video, the $12,500 mystery box, well, part 2 is supposed to come out either when this video goes live or on Tuesday, but I just got the tracking number and it's not supposed to get here till like next Thursday, so it's gonna be a little bit tough. I'm gonna have to wait on that, and I think it's gonna probably go up next Sunday, hopefully. I wanted to put the video out with the rest of the contents of the box then, but I'm just gonna wait until it comes in and be patient because it's such a big, massive thing coming. A lot of you guys have been guessing what it is, so you guys have to wait and see, but please bear with me and be patient, and I appreciate all that. If you guys don't know, we are giving away a pair of Yeezy 500 Supermoon Yellows right here. These are used size 12. They're in really good condition though. All you have to do for that giveaway is you have to subscribe to the channel, you have to comment down below, and then follow me on Instagram. We're tracking that in the link at the top of the description called gleam.io. There's probably about a week left on the giveaway when you guys see this, maybe like 9 days. If these aren't your size, you can go ahead and sell them for like 200 bucks. Pretty simple. I want to get back to you guys. So we got a pair of Yeezys, and they're down below. Now let's cut back to me packing all this stuff up and then going ahead and putting all this stuff. I've shown you guys some secrets, some tricks, and how I went ahead and did all this. Let's go ahead, cut back right now. It is the part 2 of building the ultimate sneaker room or sneaker wall. You guys have seen some progress, or you saw the last video. A lot of you guys love that. I was actually so surprised how many of you guys love that series. We have a lot of updates today, so I'm actually moving over to the new studio today. I moved all my other furniture, like my bed and stuff, over there yesterday. Today we're taking the computers, we're taking this whole setup and starting the process of building the wall. I'm so excited because I picked out a wall that's gonna be going up. Nobody's done it. I've seen some inspiration. There's some other things I'm gonna show you guys later. I have a new 1000% bear brick that a company sent out to me for my new studio. Like, there's been a lot of crazy updates, so today I'm basically gonna be showing you guys me packing up. We're gonna see how many sneakers can fit in a Nissan GTR, because that'll be fun to see, and go from there. So I gotta pack all this stuff up. We're gonna do some time lapses. We're gonna go through, we're gonna go to the new studio, we're gonna set up the new stuff and go from there. This is the current closet right now. It is all really studio stuff, except I have a few hangers and whatnot. Got a bunch of sneakers in here, the skateboard decks, all the art is right here. Here's some more art. We got this bear brick that was sent out to me by Herschel, absolutely insane, and more art. So we're gonna have to pack all this stuff up. Now I'm remembering, because yesterday I did a whole bunch of moving. I was like, dang, all the hard stuff's gone, but I have a lot of stuff I gotta move. All right, now it's time to box up every sneaker, put them in their original boxes, and go from there. This is nuts. All right, so we're gonna take this first, and let's see how many of these can fit. All right, we got it. Oh, almost lost them all. Comment down below how many of you guys think are gonna make it in the car. Do you think all these? This is about 30 pairs right here. You guys think all of them will make it? This GTR trunk, I know I've been trolled before where I said the GTR's trunk is big and nothing fit, but I think these will fit. Come on, boys. All right. This is called the GTR Trunk Challenge. Let's see how many hypebeast sneakers we can fit in here. Look, you wanna see how big this trunk is? I can get in here. Oh,
How do I get this thing open? Oh, there we go.
Luckily this works, or I would have been stuck. I have the keys. Dude, I could never be trapped in a, dude, I'm so claustrophobic. I hate that. I feel like I can't move. There's a little light in there though. Yeah, take a picture of this. I think that's it. I think there's 27 pairs, so 21 pairs in here. We got the back. I think we need to do a pause so we can get a picture of me sitting on the trunk with all the shoes. We gotta come back out and get this pic. Look at that. We fit everything in there, and there's room in the passenger seat. Our cameraman Nick. So we're Gucci, but we have another car coming to help us load my desks and stuff. Handyman Harry, coming at you again. Actually know how to do things other than unbox a mystery box. This is the same as working on a race car. It's that easy.
Not really.
Like, I would go to get packing. I moved into that other apartment. Just don't. got a Supreme beach ball right here, and we got to do a lot of unpacking. We're not gonna film too much of it. We're just gonna go and show you guys a little bit of it, and then we're gonna show you like setting up how everything's gonna be, because obviously we gotta set up this sneaker wall, sneaker room. It's gonna be hype. We still have a lot of art, like bear bricks and stuff to go get, but we'll get it eventually. Familiar to anybody? We're in the new spot. Let's take all this stuff into the studio. This is the first batch. We got so much stuff to bring. Clean. Mr. Roomba did his job. Gotta pick which wall the sneakers are gonna go on, but for now we'll just unload all of them. All right, so I got everything here now. We got all the sneakers stacked up. I got the desk. So the main thing I wanna do right now is I'm gonna set up the desk, set up my computer and everything, and then I want to go ahead and get the art and all that stuff and bring it all over here, because I need to do something for the thumbnail where I like have all my sneakers and the art and stuff. I think that's gonna be the next step. So first I'm gonna set up the desk. I might do a little bit of time lapse, but not much, just because I know I filmed me taking it apart. All right, so we're back here now, and we pretty much got everything. The desk is all set up over here. This is pretty good. Figuring out what to do on this side, but I know for sure we're gonna do with some of the art pieces. So this main big art piece here is by an artist named Wright. I'm gonna put that right here. It fits literally perfect in this little nook right here. So I'm gonna be hanging that up here in a second. I'm trying to figure out, I have this Greg Mike painting. I think I'm gonna put up a little bit higher. And then Herschel sent me this bear brick right here. I don't know if I put the clip in or not, but they sent me this bear brick, and I was talking to them about how I'm making the studio, and they're like, let's get a 1000% bear brick for you. Shout out Herschel. They sold out, I think, of the 100% and the 1000%. I think they only had 400% left last time I checked. So that's the smaller one, which I have too. It's still available, I believe. It might even be sold out now. They sold pretty quick. This size, if you guys didn't see that, they sent me this massive one, which look how insane. I've never had a 1000% bear brick. Look how crazy this thing is. It says highest quality Herschel. The back has got a backpack on. I've always worn Herschel. You guys can see in any of my videos, like back to school videos, I'm getting a Herschel backpack. I probably had 20 Herschel backpacks. Really awesome to go and get this. It's like a functioning toy. Look at this. You can like move it and stuff. What I'm thinking is I just ordered a shelf. It's a black shelf that I think I'm gonna put like right here. And I'll have this at this height, and then maybe this is from another artist right here. And then above that, put the Greg Mike. I'm not sure. The sneaker wall doesn't get here till Tuesday. They're delivering it, and I'm trying to get it installed on Wednesday. So I don't know if this is gonna be a separate video or I'm gonna do another video when that one comes, but they're putting up this special thing, and I'm excited. Nobody has this specific setup, so I'm gonna be so excited when that comes. It's gonna go on this wall here. We've got these decks here. These are the Complex Con Murakami deck. I think I'm gonna hang up on this wall right here. I think I'm gonna put them up right here above my computer, which I think will look absolutely insane. So we might be doing that in this video. I'm just gonna go ahead first, get this Wright painting out. Let's go ahead. Here is this painting. This thing is so sick. Putting this up right here so it's kind of next to the wall. So this right here, that would mark it as being 1 inch above the desk line. So this is an adjustable desk. This is my usual sitting height, which is 34 inches high, 33 inches high, and I'm gonna do it 1 inch above that. But I'm gonna try to do this. I'm very meticulous when it comes to things. If you guys don't know this, and I like to be as precise as possible. So when I'm measuring out 3 holes, so it's 11. Feels secure, boy. Moment of truth. There we go. Let's see if it's level. Let's see. Good. Look at that. But I think that looks good for now. I don't think I can really put anything above that or below that. I think that just looks solid there. Might put a shelf here. All right, so I'm trying to plan this out because, again, I'm very meticulous. So the wall, its fully length is 123 inches. So I need to measure that in half, and then that's where the first board will go. So the first board will go 63 inches, and it has to be at least 53 inches high. Alright, so I got the first deck up. I'm not gonna record the next part because I just recorded for so long. So I'll check back in when they're done and the desk is moved back and hopefully it all looks good. Alright, so I ordered another one of these skate deck things for the Supreme one that I have, and when I got it, it says love the channel heart on the outside of the packaging. And then I opened up the little packaging because all I ordered was this, it's 10 bucks. And they wrote, it's from Lane, it says love the channel, shout out Lane from Zoomies, I watch all your videos. Shout out Lane, sent a few stickers too. I'm gonna go ahead and put up this last one. We got all 3 drills, holes drilled, and all we have to do is put up this last little piece, and then we'll be pretty much good to go. I just messed up the whole setup to go ahead and get this thumbnail picture. I moved the desk over there, but this is looking perfect. This art and these decks are like literally perfect on the wall. I'm so happy about that. Then the next thing we have to do is get this stuff for this wall here. So 2 more things are coming in. A little bit of a shelf there that's gonna be for the bear brick, and then on top of that is gonna be that other painting, and then right here's the sneaker wall. Now, there's been this thing going around that a lot of you guys have told me about that you wanted me to check out and use as inspiration for the sneaker wall, which is a slat wall, which I've been thinking about originally, but then I saw somebody actually did it, and I actually reached out to them, their reviewer, and their thing was getting posted all over. They had a gray slat wall that had their sneakers all lined up. I was already doing research. I wasn't gonna do the pegboard that I said in the last video, and I actually ordered 2 slat walls in a very special color that I think is gonna be super modern and looks super good. Ordered 2 of them that are 4 feet by 8 feet. They're gonna go here and here. Now those get delivered Tuesday, and I think Wednesday I'm gonna get them installed. I have everything else coming Wednesday, and I think everything should work out. So I'm getting them professionally installed. They're 77 pounds each, so I need some professional type installation because I can't do something like that. We're gonna go ahead and have 2 of those up there, a little bit of a gap in the middle. There's gonna be some crazy combination of sneakers. I think it should look cool. So when we're standing right here, you'll be able to see all of them right there. So I'm so excited. I hope this episode was long enough, it had enough content, and you guys enjoyed it because I'm enjoying the series. This is part 2. Here is the studio's current status. You guys can see I got all the sneakers lined up here. Of course, they're not on the wall yet. The new slat walls are going to be coming in 2 days, and I'm going to be going ahead and putting them up the next day, professionally installed. This is what's going on over here. We have all the Murakami skate deck stuff. We got the right painting here. We got the bear bricks. I forgot that I had these sneakers when I was unboxing everything. There's probably some sneakers in here I totally forgot that I had. I'll be updating you guys in the next few days. You'll probably see another one of these videos either Thursday or on Tuesday, a week after, once the mystery box is all done. That's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please like down below. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison signing out.